Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. This video will solve square root of x times square root of x times square root of x is equal to 5. We have to find the value of x, so we'll start the solution of this question. We are given square root of x times square root of x times square root of x is equal to 5. Now we can write this as square root of x power 1, and this is x power 1 by 2 is equal to 5. This is power 1, this is power 1 by 2, so the same basis exponent will add up. So we have square root of x power 1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5, and square root of x times square root of x, 2 LCM, the 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 is equal to 5. And square root of x, and this is x 3 by 2, and this square root is 1 by 2 is equal to 5. So this power multiply with this, square root of x times 3 by 4 equal to 5. This is power 1, so x power 1 plus 3 by 4 square root equal to 5. This is square root of x 4 plus 3 equal to 5. This is square root of x power 7 by 4 equals 5. It will be x power 7 by 4 whole power 1 by 2 equal to 5. So x power 7 by 4 into 2 is 8 is equal to 5. But we have to calculate the value of x, so we take exponent 8 by 7 on both sides, that is x power 7 by 8, taking exponent 8 by 7 on both sides, and 5 power 8 by 7. 7 cancel with 7, 8 cancel with 8, x will be equal to 5 power 8 by 7, or it can be written as x equals square root of 7 square root of 5 power 8. This is the final value of x. This is the one method to solve this question. There are many methods to solve this question. If you want another method to solve this, then post a comment. I will solve another method in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my new daily videos. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye.